Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change region on TikTok. Open TikTok on your device and then go to your profile at the bottom side of the screen, and then open menu that is located in the top right corner of the screen, and then go to settings. Here find account section and open account information, and here from the list you need to find account region, and here is the list of the countries, so simply mark the needed country by tapping on it, and that will change your country. So that's basically how you can change region on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.